Do you want to start a profitable soap business? This particular video is for you. This is hot process making in soap making. So if you want fast, effective and ready in less time, no long waiting, no stress, just quality laundry bar soap you can sell immediately, this video is for you. So first of all, we'll take our measurement. Just as I've said earlier in our previous videos, measurement is one of the major things you need to master in your soap making game. Yes, once you have the accurate measurement, you have a quality bar soap. So the first measurement, the first chemical there is soda ash. We are using 450 grams of soda ash in this production. Then the water you use in dissolving this is 1.5 liters. Yes, it's 1.5. The second chemical, soda ash helps in cleaning and also making the soap to lather well. The next chemical we have is our calcium. We use 150 grams for calcium in this production. You add it in the soda ash mixture as well. The next chemical is your sodium sulfate. Sodium sulfate helps the soap to harden up quickly, to have that strong bar soap. Then the next one we have, the next chemical, we'll also be needing silicate for this production, and also our foam booster, 250 ml. Just check the description box. You will see all the recipes we use for this production, from the measurement to the water measurement and everything. You will see all the measurements, the grams, everything in the description box. Stay glued while I take you through this process. Hot process soap making is one of the best methods for business, yes, because it speeds up production and reduces waiting time. If you want to start fast turnover and steady income, just use hot process, and it improves the soap. Like, you have ×2 of your production. It's very, very lucrative. When you're done measuring all your ingredients, you stir very well. Stir. You can see by the side we have a bowl. The bowl there, inside the white rubber is our caustic soda solution. Before you do any production, you have to soak your caustic soda overnight, or you can soak it for some hours. Caustic soda is very harsh, so the best way is for you to soak it and leave it for some times, at least to reduce the harshness of the chemical. Now you pour in your other ingredients into the caustic soda, then you stir. Now I want to add our foam booster. Is this process you will still add your foam booster? You can see me using sieve to sieve the ingredients, so that to avoid dirt getting into our production, to have that smooth and clean bar soap. Now you pour in your solution into the oil, all the mixed ingredients. You pour it into the oil. This oil, I used 5 liters of oil for this production. Yes, as you can see, I used a stainless bowl, so that once it's hot process we are doing, because the soap will enter thick trays, so that we will not be needing to scoop to a stainless bowl again. So this since I'm using a stainless bowl, we can just put it on the fire even without transferring to another bowl. This type of bowl is the best bowl to use for hot process production. You stir very well to combine. You can see me stirring vigorously. If you check at the top of the screen from the beginning, you will see the cost of the ingredients, the total and everything I used for this production. And you'll be wondering, how much will this production give to us? Actually, we made ×2 of the gain in this production. Since it's hot process, just as the name implies, we use fire for this production. As you can see, I've lighted the stove. Now you put your soap on the fire to start the heating process, which is the hot process method. One good thing about hot process is that you can use your soap immediately after production, because as you cook your soap, it cures faster. Your soap cures faster. Now it's time to add our silicate. Yes, this is the stage where you add your silicate once the soap has started melting and you're seeing light trace. Silicate helps our soap to harden up as well and give our soap that smooth and beautiful texture. Yes, still in this stage, you add your color. Just little, you don't need much. Don't need much color. The type of color used for this production is called oil color. Yes, in soap making we have the oil colors and the water colors. So I use oil color for this production since it's hot process method. So I use orange color for this particular production, as you can see. Stay in this stage. This is a light trace. You can as well add your perfume. You get, just add perfume as desired. Add your perfume as desired in this stage. Since you now have the light trace, you can add your perfume. So, and also don't forget to stir very well so that it will combine. You can see me using the knife to scrape the ones at the corner so that it can melt up and combine very well. Yeah, our soap is ready. It's time for unmolding and cutting. This happens to be one of my favorite parts in soap making. Yeah, our soap I've had enough. This soap did not stay up to 24 hours. It stays for just for some hours. That's why it's hot process. This soap stays for 7 to 8 hours, yes, before cutting. So it's time to cut our soaps.